Day 22 of the 100-day shiny Galarian bird challenge. Welcome in, you guys. Oh, and Zygarde cells. Might not get a Zygarde cell today because today, Monday, we're going to create a new route. We're back at the same mountain area, but today we're going to do it for real. I have it planned out. It's going to be good. So I'm going to start this route creation right here. This is the start. This is the end. Confirm and proceed. And start recording now. And then we will pop our daily incense in just a second. Welcome in, you guys. I had the craziest weekend playing the game. I didn't grind, but I got something crazy to share with you guys at the end of this video. So what the heck? Why did this start? All right, hold up. End. Right later. Yes, see, this is what I'm saying, dude. These routes are so bad. All right. Quit this, just quit it. This is why this is so annoying. All right, we're gonna start that over again. Can't wait to show you guys what I got. I didn't even grind that hard. I just got super lucky. Skip for now. This is the end point. Same end point. And have you guys made routes? Start recording. Please just start recording. Please, thank you. All right, popping the daily incense right now. And last time we were here, it was a huge failure. I almost fell, like in that area right there, over there. I almost fell and probably severely injured myself because I had my hands full and I wouldn't have been able to catch myself. That's okay. We're moving on. Today should be amazing. I have the route planned out. It should be a super fun loop. I hope it'll be 30 minutes is the goal. First spawn is an Eevee. If you're new to the channel, welcome on in. The whole goal of the channel is to be something different on YouTube. Chill. You guys are going on an adventure with me. There's no music, there's no editing. It's kind of like a live stream. I'm just recording and then posting it for you guys. So I hope to give you something that will be calming, relaxing. You can unwind. You can do a drive, a commute to work. I try to talk about serious stuff too. Really just talk about anything. Don't hold back. Be transparent of who I am, what I believe, and try to bring some sort of value to your life. I truly believe in the human experience of community and accountability, brotherhood, sisterhood, just being in this journey of life together with other people. Because life is hard. It's Monday. Life is hard. When you live it with people, other people, it's easier. It's better. It's better for so many reasons. So if you are alone and you feel alone and you feel like you're missing that human connection, I'll give you a couple ideas. Super simple way. You must like Pokemon Go. So go get the Campfire app and go find a meetup and just introduce yourself. That's the hardest part, is just saying, hi, my name is what's your name? And what do you like? What's your favorite Pokemon? Just something to break the ice. And then usually it clicks from there, or it doesn't, and that's fun. So that's the very basic. Some other options, you can do some sort of club or another interest that you're in. Church is what I would try to convince you guys to try, because whether you believe or not, church is, and whatever you've heard about church or not, church is the best place to create, meet, and make a community of people who will try to be there for you. I mean, at the very least, they are doing the same thing you are. Side quest for a shiny Shuckle? Not today. So anyways, live life together. It's so much better, you guys. The biggest reason why living life together is better, I personally believe, is because you find out that your struggles are the same as everybody else's struggles. So you're not alone in whatever you're dealing with. And that is so helpful. It's so helpful because you can actually start to open up and talk about things that you struggle with and need help with, and then that actually helps other people, and so on and so on. So, didn't really even mean to get into that so seriously so quick, but yeah, that's just something I've been thinking about, because this weekend was a great example of that in my life. We had people over for lunch. I met up with people to play Pokemon Go, like on a whim, like just a text. It wasn't like this 2-month planned out thing where you have to write it in the schedule and all that stuff. It was just like, hey, I'm at the park. You want to hang out and do a couple mega raids and hang out? Boom, it was happening. It was so nice. So, I guess I was talking about why I made this channel. So I guess back to you guys. I understand the digital world and how people congregate and hang out in the YouTube space. I do it. I do that. So I get it. And I just want to be a unique space in YouTube where we can just hang out. So feel free to comment down below how you're actually doing, who you actually are. Like, join in, you guys. Join in this community. In the end, it will be awesome. I promise you that. So, and speaking of which, so I have a goal on this 100-day grind, and can be a grind. Although today is gorgeous. It's like 60 and cool and cloudy. Normally it's been 100. And I've been dying out here doing these 100-day grind. I want to try to get 100 of you to subscribe. So listen, if you've watched this video up till now, hit the button. It's free. Subscribe. That helps me. We're already in the 60s. I don't remember what we are for subscribers, but we've passed 50. We're more than halfway. And we're only on day 22. So we're cooking, you guys. You're amazing. Thank you so much for hitting that button and joining in. Whoa, this tree is beautiful. A little glimpse of fall, a little oak tree on the ground. There's probably some critters in there, actually. There are rattlesnakes, coyotes, and even an occasional mountain lion in this region. Dude, if I get eaten by a mountain lion, I just hope this video gets published. That'd be crazy. Well, I mean, I wouldn't want you guys to watch me getting eaten by a mountain lion, but it would be my last thing made on Earth. But hey, I would be happy with that. Honestly, I feel like producing something good for the internet is a goal of mine. I feel called to do it. I feel like I'm supposed to do it. And I want to do it. So yeah, that would be epic, actually. No, I mean, I don't want to get eaten by a mountain lion. You know what I'm saying. Got no regrets doing this with you guys. It's awesome. So thank you guys. We're closer and closer to 100 subscribers. The views are going up as well, which is so cool to see. Man, it's windy. Hopefully the audio's okay. And I'm recording. It's a good thing to check. I'll keep you guys flipped for a second because it's so beautiful. No bird yet. Could we hit a shiny today? I think we could, actually. A bird, maybe not so much. Birds are rare. But a shiny, come on, we could hit a shiny. Something. We haven't had a good hit on the channel in a minute. Actually, in a while. Tauros non-shiny. My phone can definitely handle the recording and the screen recording and the gameplay, especially today. It's beautiful. Oh, you guys, clouds are so nice. If you live in a cloudy area, I'm sorry if you're like sick of the clouds already. For us here, it's like absolutely amazing. Feels so good. Kind of didn't have the best weekend for eating. Another side goal for this channel is to get me outside, working out, exercising, staying accountable to even just one more group of people. So I'll be honest, I ate not the best. I didn't fall off the wagon or anything and like dive into a box of cookies, but I could have done better. But today is a new day, and I'm not going to let those failures bother me. I'm going to hit it strong today with a little mountain climb. One thing Pokemon-wise I want to talk about, my XP, 16,900,000. I need 21 mil to get to 48. It's a goal of mine before the change, which if you don't know, that's October 15th. Roughly 15 days from now, give or take, the change is happening. So I have, let's claim our rewards, 71 km. Let's go. I need all these items. I actually rock climb here. I should do that actually. Should have brought my stuff in. Did that next time. So I'm making this route. I want to get out here more. I'm never going to catch this. I'm never going to catch this. These are the worst. I'm skipping it. Whew. So can I get, let's pretend I have 17 mil. Can I get 5 million XP in 15 days? How much is that? 5 million XP, 15 days. Math, 3 million. No, what? I should do it in thousands. Somebody help me. I'm too out of breath to think of the math right now. Can I get that much XP in 15 days? I don't know. I think I would need to be, I hit the Pidgey parties, I hit the Evolve on this last event. If you didn't do the completely normal event, that was crazy. I think I bumped up, I'd have to go back and look at old videos. I must have bumped up like 2 million or something in just evolving. So that's over with though. The new event starts tomorrow. We'll probably talk through the details of it in tomorrow's video. But I don't think, ooh, that's pretty cool spawn. I don't think that it is as good for XP. I think I would have to do some Dynamax, do some raiding. Yeah, I don't know, you guys. If I can make 5 million in 15 days, that's a lot of grinding and a lot of lucky eggs. I'm just not really sure if we can do that. Let me know what level you guys are and if you're trying to bump it up before this change. It doesn't really matter. I don't really care. If I was level 49 to try to get that jacket, like to get the 50 jacket, if you don't know, at level 50 you get a unique item like a jacket, and oh, the wind is ripping, sorry guys. You can only get it right now, so you have 15 days to get it, and if you don't get it in 15 days, it's over. You can never get that jacket again. I don't really care. If I was 49, I'd probably push for it. I'm not sure what avatar item. I mean, let me just see. Me, 4 out of 4. It doesn't even say. I don't think you even get anything at 48. I don't know. I'm probably going to fall. It's getting steep down through here. But I'm going to try. I mean, it's just a goal. Side quest for sure. I will give you one spoiler because it's not what I was talking about earlier. One thing I got this weekend was a shiny Camerumpt. I'm not going to show you. But I already had one, so I traded that one away, and then I got one raiding. I think I did just my free passes, maybe 4 or 5 raids, and I got one. Did you guys get any shinies of that? It's a good shiny. It's like that, whoa. It's like that black, kind of like midnight color. Chimchar with a great throw. One thing, there is this like XP event going on to try to help people level up. It's not a scam, but it is for sure a money grab scam. Like, I am trying on that. Here, let's check it out. Let me do these. I'm trying on that. I'm at the 20K XP mark. But look at this, you guys. 38 field research, that is a grind. It's just, I just don't. 8K each, so 8 times 5, 40K, 60K with lucky egg 120. 120K. I don't know. It's a grind. I don't know, you guys. I don't think that they played it off like, we're going to help you guys level up. But really, secretly, they're like, we're going to help you guys buy lucky eggs and play the game like 2 hours more than you normally would. It's pretty much what this like XP celebration thing is. Be careful with the microtransactions on this game. They are extremely intelligent. There's a team of people that know how to make money organizing all this stuff. Just make sure you're on the smart end of it all and not on the accidentally dropping 20 bucks every other day end of it. It's not worth it. It's just a game. It's just a game. There's so much like food. You can go buy food instead because food is crazy. I was talking with my parents earlier, which I don't get to do a lot, but we were talking about how expensive food is. It's crazy. Like, if you go to like a fast food place and feed a few people, it almost costs as much as going out to a restaurant. You might as well go to a restaurant. We're living in some weird times right now. We're living in some times where you need to just tighten up the budget on the food. This is going to be a good loop. This is what I wanted the other day. It just turned out totally. Let me know if you watched that episode. It was a failure. I failed the route creation. I almost fell down the hill. We didn't catch anything. I had like 3 awkward interactions with people that were definitely weirded out by me out here doing this. This was good. Hanging out with you guys, chatting was awesome. But all the rest of this stuff was crazy. So we have 12 minutes. This is not going to be a full 30-minute loop, but what's so cool is all these hiking trails. Look at all these trails. Like, I could make a much, much bigger 30-minute loop as well. So that's kind of the goal, to come back here and make like maybe even 2 or 3 more routes and get some good ones for us to come back and do. Let's see. Grookey with a non-shiny. Can we hit a shiny or a bird? Come on, man. Please. So the other thing that I keep talking about with you guys is the Mega Metagross. And make sure you guys hit that event, get your Mega Energy. It's not going to be, I was talking maybe it would be like an epically huge contender for the best metal type or psychic type. It's not, but it's for sure the best metal Mega. So we will end up using this a ton for raiding, like tossing it into a raid party. Imagine how strong the Zacian's gonna be when it gets the mega boost. Like, so make sure you guys hit that. It's this Saturday. Plan that out. You won't even have to do a ton of them. They're free. It's a raid day, so it'll be like 5 free ones. And so at least do those 5 free ones. I'm sure if you play the game regularly, you have enough candy, maybe even a shiny from the community day. So you don't even have to hit the grind very hard, but just make sure you go out and do it. Don't forget. As we end our loop here pretty soon. Man, going downhill is very dangerous. I love this place. When we first moved out here, without this place, I would have been devastated. There's no close like nature where I live. This is about as good as it gets. Where I grew up was all nature, so it's a very large, just a big change, I guess you could say. And I've been out here for like 12 or 13 years, maybe even longer, I don't even know. And it still feels foreign to me, but that's okay. It's all about the people where you live. It's not about the place. Some people always think the grass is greener and they must move because of politics or nature or housing costs or and they think, oh man, when we move, it's going to just be epic. But I would challenge you, if you have a nice community like we were talking about earlier, if you have a community, don't give it up so quickly. Make sure you know what you're doing, because community's priceless. People always say location, location, location when they're talking about moving somewhere. I would say community, community, community. Make sure you're not leaving an epic community to try to get better weather. That is just not a good idea. Got an egg here. This could be shiny. This could be shiny, actually. It is not. Okay, we're almost done. We're at the end. I'm going to end the recording down here. We can end it. End. I'm going to write the information later so we don't waste. Progress will be saved and you can resume the route creation at any time. No, I think I need to write it now. Let's just write it right here, because I think you have to write it. End right now. Hiking trail loop. Next. Nice hike. Up the hill and back. And tags would be let's see, it's not really grassy. Best in the morning for sure. Nature, I mean, ish. And not many people, that's a huge quality. And anything else? What did I just click? Stroll accessible? No, I'm just gonna click those tags. And let's make the color green since it's hiking. And submit. Okay, sweet, let's keep walking. I like that. Maybe we'll do this on Mondays. Maybe every Monday I'll go try to create an epic route. That'll give us something to look back and see how it's going. I don't know if the routes are broken right now, but I submitted one months ago. How do I see that? It's here and it's here. This one submitted 8/14/25 and it's still not. So I don't know, dude, what's going on with the routes. I used to be able to get routes cleared in like that day, like get a rainy cast form. We'll just walk the sidewalk again to finish out our daily. And then we'll head back. Come on, bird, hit us with a bird. One time, 5 minutes, let's go. We have 8 days left for the Go Past Deluxe September. We have 8 days. So that will end our active bonuses, which is 2x daily incense. So we'll go back to 15-minute videos for who knows how long. Plusle. That's okay. We can hang out for 15 minutes. Because who knows, it might go up another level. It might go up to an hour. And if we're pumping, I might just use Dialga candy to extend it. So, which I did not actually do a good job of. I did not get the Dialga raids that I wanted to. But I did some, just not a ton. This Viper, I'm gonna try to pick up the pace to get more spawns here. I still need this shiny. This has been amazing. I think the fall weather is epic. I still don't have an idea for rain. So if you're a regular watcher and I need your help, I need some ideas about how to do this in the rain. I do want to bring other people along as well. So yeah, if you are a regular watcher, you've made it to this point, you're still actively listening, let me know if that's a good idea or a bad idea. Nobody knows about this channel. It's just you guys and me. That's it. So, and if you're new, I've said this a million times, but if you're new to the channel, I have another channel that's much larger, established, and I'm not using that channel at all to promote this one. I'm not trying to create some kind of a, this isn't marketing for one or the other. This is unique, just between you guys and me. So yeah, I think what we'll do is do a mini loop right here. Can I do this actually? Maybe I can't. So yeah, let me know. Should I bring people in? We could chat. I could interview them a little bit. We could just look at their Pokemon, like double chances for a shiny bird. Just spitballing ideas. And I think what we'll do is, 2 minutes, we'll head back. We'll walk all the way back to the van. Those are the two ideas I've been thinking about, because I've got about a week, maybe a month, before it starts raining. Not a lot, it doesn't rain here a lot, but it can rain. Do I go to like the mall? Can you shoot videos in the mall like this? I don't know. They probably don't like you doing that. Just because of prank channels like TikTok madness. I'm sure like shopping centers outlaw. We did one shopping center. It was an outdoor shopping center, like a strip mall type area. And I got stopped by security. That was one of the earlier episodes. I was so nervous. Another egg. Let's go. Show me shiny. That would have been a good shiny, actually. We'll check IVs at the end, as usual. Looking for hundos, nundos. We will swipe through all the IVs to see what we caught today. Eevee, don't need the shiny of that. Yeah, I don't think a shopping center would work for rain. Driving would work. But the thing with driving, there's a lot going on. I mean, that's pretty dangerous to drive, shoot this, and be checking my phone regularly. What I could do is have a friend drive, but that kind of goes back to what we were talking about. Should I invite others in on this? I don't even know how I would have that conversation. Like, hey, you want to go shoot a video with me for nothing? Like, I feel like I'd have to tell them. I don't know. I don't want to tell anyone about the channel. It's not because I'm ashamed. It's because I want the algorithm to cook. I want to reach people who want it. That's it. It's not even a business thing. It's like, I want the audience. When you guys click in, it's because YouTube said, hey, you might like this guy. And then you might, actually. Which would be great. So good. 15 seconds left. One more spawn. Come on. Bird. Last spawn right here. Articuno. Oh. Not so. All right, let's check our IVs. And then we'll call it. We'll nestle into these beautiful trees. Maybe we'll just keep walking. All right, and then I'll show you what I got yesterday. You guys, what in the world? Dedenne, Eevee, there's our egg, Onyx, Viper, Plusle, Farfetch'd, not bad IVs, Ghastly, Lillipup, Chimchar, Tyrant, the Sizzles, another Eevee, Pampor. Nothing, you guys. We got skunked again. Come on, hit us with something. So yesterday, I did one daily incense, or I did my daily incense. This was like the second spawn. So it's our second shiny Moltres. I'm so sad I wasn't with you guys, but it is what it is. I keep doing the grind, whether I'm filming or not. It was like literally the second spawn, and it took me the whole 30 minutes to catch it. So I had just got a bunch of Pokeballs to come out here and film this today, and I used almost all of them catching this guy. So I had to go back out this morning and grind for more items. But yeah, I gotta trade this. I gotta trade it because now I have two. Crazy. Hey, make sure you guys are living in community. This might even be the second time I've talked about that. I don't regret that. Like, it's an important thing. If you struggle with it, throw a comment down below. We'll try to give you guys some encouragement. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, day 23, with a new event. You're amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.